Welcome back to the SparkPath Micro Lesson Library Tool demonstration series. We are working our way through the 5 core tools, and today we are looking at tool number 3, the Comprehension Quiz Generator. Let's click in and get started. As always, to minimize distractions, I'm going to toggle this to full screen. Now, we need to configure our quiz. First, select the key stage. This aligns the difficulty of the questions with the National Curriculum of England. For this example, let's choose Key Stage 2. Next, choose your question style. You can select multiple choice, free-form text, or a mixture of both. Finally, select the number of questions you want the AI to generate. Now we need source material. You can either upload a PDF directly, or you can paste text from any website or document. For this demo, I found an article online about 25 Oscar-tipped films. I'm going to paste that text right here. Once that is done, simply click Generate Quiz and Get Link. The tool instantly analyzes the text and creates the questions. You are given a unique link which you can copy and send directly to your students. For now, let's click Open Quiz to see exactly what the student experiences. Here is the student view. The source text is displayed on the left for reference, and the questions are on the right. I'm going to quickly run through these answers. When the student is finished, they click Marking. The system instantly grades the work, showing which questions were right and wrong. Crucially, you can then click here to download the full report. And that is the Comprehension Quiz Generator, turning any article or PDF into an assessment in seconds. Let's head back to the library. In the next video, we will be exploring the Review Analyzer, so click the link on the screen to join me there.